In January 2023, after a successful wintering in Greenland, the schooner Mauritius arrived in Gambia for a new scientific mission. Since its creation, Pacifique has made its sailing boats available to the scientific community to conduct research programs on board. In close collaboration with the University of Geneva from Switzerland, the Great Institute from the Gambia, and Swansea University from UK, the 30-meter sailing ship is participating in the Sail for Mangroves in the Gambia project. During 1 week, Mauritius will sail the Gambia River to carry out research on mangroves. The objective is threefold. First, second, and third, in Benjol, a certain excitement is felt before the departure. Several local television stations came to cover the event.
Adult shrimp will spawn in the coastal water, and we can see the larval stage of the shrimp.
This is an opportunity for local students to learn more about the research conducted on board.
Expedition up the river starting tomorrow. So we'll go up the river and we'll measure various parameters like temperature, oxygen, generally assessing the ecological health of the river.
About 10 students from the Great Institute participate in the sampling campaigns. For some of them, this is a first fieldwork experience. They are the new generation of Gambian scientists.
DOA. No, that's okay. Can we do?
The instruments for scientific measurements are installed at the back of the boat. The scientists install the last equipment. The aft saloon of Mauritius is transformed into a real floating lab.
I think it should be down here somewhere.
Hi, my name is Mayang Tal. I'm the director of Great Institute, and today we are here for the Sailing for Mangroves in the Gambia expedition. And I have here with me Professor Daniel McGuinness from the University of Geneva and Professor Cam Tang from Swansea University. They are the scientists on board to help with some of the environmental monitoring that we'll be doing today.
We're here today in Gambia and we're very pleased to be here to start the expedition on the mangroves. Today will involve mostly training the students on board on the techniques, and we'll start in the afternoon on measurements. And the key here is we want to do assessment of the water quality. We want to do greenhouse gas fluxes, methane and carbon dioxide, and we'll go on shore to do assessments of the mangrove carbon stock as well as the carbon exchange from these environments. 500 ml and then cover it with that cap.
So today, together we will be studying the river ecosystem, mangrove ecosystem, and my interest is also in looking into the plankton communities, which is the base of the marine food web. And Gambia is known to be one of the places with very, very high biodiversity and very rich marine resources. And then there's like a tail.
I've been working with Pacifique since 2017, running various science programs on board. There are two vessels, Fleur de Passion, and the vessel we're on today, Mauritius. So it's an interesting environment and a fruitful environment to come into because we have flexibility to use the boat as a floating laboratory.
La mangrove, c'est un milieu naturel très fragile. Et puis aujourd'hui, on sait qu'il y a la levée des amers, il y a le réchauffement climatique, donc c'est vrai que c'est des enjeux qui peuvent être assez importants. Enfin, toutes les zones là, entre 30 degrés nord, 30 degrés sud, tout ce qui est bras de rivière, rivière haute, c'est des mangroves la plupart du temps. Donc c'est un milieu naturel très important qui a encore été assez peu étudié. Donc je pense que ouais, c'est une opportunité pour la suite. Le danger, c'est en fait tous ces bras de rivière, il y a des bancs de sable. Et les cartes ne sont pas tellement précises, donc il faut faire attention à ça. Donc je dirais que c'est le principal danger. Donc pas être forcément à marée haute, mais à marée montante ou descendante. Comme ça on a un peu de marge. Au cas où on toucherait, on aurait 30-40 cm pour pouvoir sortir.
surtout au fait de comprendre comment est-ce que les mangroves séquestrent le carbone au niveau de leurs racines. Parce que c'est aussi au fait un des écosystèmes qui séquestre le plus de carbone et qui joue aussi un rôle essentiel contre l'érosion. C'est un peu une zone tampon.
Parameterizations, especially what's interesting is the salt concentration in the pore water, but we also want to look at the total organic carbon and the total inorganic carbon, so we get an idea of how much of the carbon that's captured from the atmosphere is actually stored in the sediments and root system.
On the last day of the mission, the boat is returning to Banjul, capital of the Gambia, located at the outlet of the river. The scientific mission is a great success. The greenhouse gas data and various samples from the mangroves are transferred to Geneva for analysis. While waiting for the publication of the results, the different partners are already talking about extending the research. Pacifique continues its missions on board Mauritius.